Hello dear students, in this lecture we see the another example of producing language from given grammar. So consider the grammar G whose productions are S gives AAS or A and A gives SBA or SS or BA, and we have to show that S gives AA, BB, AA. So here we know what we have to prove. So this we are going to prove that from the given grammar the derived string will be AA, BB, AA, and from this we have to construct the derivation trees whose yield is AA, BB, AA. So let us start deriving AA, BB, AA. Here we start with starting symbol S. So S gives AAS, S gives AAS. Now we replace this S or A with, we can replace S or A from the given production rule. So here we replace A with SBA. Why we replace A with SBA? Because our target is to generate AA, BB, AA string. So if I put the value of A as SBA, I can, in the next step, I can replace S with A. So we get 2 times A, and that is given in our string. So here, as per the given string, you have to decide which replacement or which type of substitution we have to do. So for this problem, S gives AAS, and now we replace A with SBA. So A, SBA, S. Now double A is there because we replace S with A. So AA, BAS is the string. Now we want, B is already there, but we want another B. So which is the production where B is there? So A is the production where we can generate the string starting from B. That is A produces BA. So here we will replace now A. So AAB, and A is replaced by BA. So AA, BB, A, and last is S. Now we can replace S with A because the production is given here that S produces A. So S will be A. In this way, we have derived the string AA, BB, AA. Now start drawing the derivation tree. So we start from S. Now S produces AAS. So AAS, these are the 3 branches which are produced. Now we are substituting the value of capital A as SBA. So A will be the root and its branches are SBA. In next step, we are replacing the value of S as A. So here from A we derived A, and from A we derived SBA, and from S we have the A terminal symbol. Next is A will be replaced by BA. So this A will be replaced by BA is the branch for capital A. And lastly, in the at final stage we replace S with A. So at the right side, very right side of S, we replace S with A. So first of all, we have to derive the string, and then whatever production rules we are using step by step, as per the production rules we are deriving the derivation tree, or we can draw the derivation tree. Thank you for listening.